Hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Draws here with another Pokemon card opening, and for this video guys we're gonna be opening the Champions Path Pin Collection Motostoke Gem Box. And yeah, that's a pretty long name right there guys. So just ahead of time guys, I'm gonna let you know I'm not 100 right now, so if there's like a lot of cuts in the video, apologize. It's just I haven't been feeling too well, and I might have to cut off like every time that I cough or whatnot, so I apologize about that. But yeah guys, I'm not gonna let that stop me, so yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna open this box guys, and then I'm also gonna open a couple of these Darkness Ablaze booster packs. So this is my first time opening the Motostoke Gem Pin Collection. I've opened a few already, or a couple at least, in my channel before, so if you guys are interested, make sure to check out the link in the description for all my card openings. There you guys will be able to find everything that I've opened so far. And yeah, so we do get the little pin right here that's actually really cool, as well as this promo card of Senti Scorch Hollow. It's really cool. And then the 3 Champions Path booster packs, which I'm excited to open guys. So I am gonna sleeve this little baby up just because we're trying to preserve it as much as possible. And let me just set it over here next to Bulbasaur. We got the little pin, and I apologize guys about my voice. I can tell right away I sound really weird, but there's nothing really I could do. So let me actually throw that in there, my little box of all the pins and coins that I've gotten lately. And we're gonna get our 3 packs, as well as our code card right here. Hopefully you guys get something good. And yeah, so we're gonna start off with, I guess, the 2 Darkness Ablaze guys, and hopefully we actually get something really good in these. So here's the code card. Hopefully you guys get something good. 1 2 3 4 to the back, and we're gonna start off with a Dark Energy. We have a rare fossil, Simisage, Simipour. So we just need the other one to complete our stuff. Nope, we didn't get it. We got an Aaron as a reverse, which is a common. And for our first rare of the video guys, and the pack is gonna be a regular rare Galarian Darmanitan. So nothing too good right there. Set that aside. I actually really like this roulette, so I'm gonna set it aside as my favorite art of the video guys. I was probably gonna win it, to be honest. I don't remember seeing that roulette, although I have opened my fair share of Darkness Ablaze, especially with that mini Pokemon subscription box. I got a link in the comments, in this comment section, not in the comment section, but in the description of the video guys. If you guys are interested in that, go check it out. And yeah, if you click on it, it'll take you directly to their website. So here we have a Steel Energy, and no, this is not a paid, I don't know what you guys would call it. So we got a Nickit, Shelmet, Larvitar. Our reverse is gonna be a psychedelic Flaffy, as I like to call them, with that psychedelic looking mountain right there. And it's gonna be an uncommon. And for our rare, it's gonna be a regular rare Delcatty. So unfortunately we didn't get anything good right there guys, but ain't gonna stop us. So there we go. We're gonna start off with our first Champions Path pack. There we go. And all of these are gonna be white codes, so it doesn't matter, well, if I see it or not. So this is 4 right to the front. I don't know if I messed that up guys. So here's we're gonna start off with the Fighting Energy, a really cool Absol. I'm just gonna keep the roulette though. I think I'm gonna go with the roulette so far right now. We got this really cool Ekans and that Scraggy Swablu. Our reverse is gonna be a Marnie, which is a rare. And for our first rare of the video, it's not an ultra rare guys, unfortunately, but we ended up getting a holo Lycanroc. So I'm not gonna sleeve it up guys, just because I got my fair share of these. we get a hollow in every pack unless we get an ultra rare, right? Here's a code card. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe on the second video that I upload, I'm gonna open the other gem collection, paint collection box. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm actually going in the middle of the video. We got a potion, rock rub, we got a Weedle, Swab Blue, Rotom Bike, and for a rare, it's gonna be a hollow Marnie. So nothing that good right there in this opening so far, guys. Nothing to brag about other than just having that promo Senti Scorch. So hopefully in our last pack we're able to pull something good. I haven't been too lucky with Champions Pack, to be honest, guys. So here's a code card, trying to change that around. Oh man, I'm not feeling good at all, guys, so I apologize. We have a Fire Energy, we got a Suspicious Food Tin, a really cool Malamore that I haven't seen. We got a Swell Blue in the back right there that didn't want to, it was too shy to be on camera. We got a Carvana, which is going to be a reverse. And for our final card of the video and the pack and a rare, guys, is going to be a hollow Senti Scorch. So we didn't pull anything. Unfortunately, guys, we didn't pull anything. At least we got different hollows in the 3 packs, and then we ended up just getting the Senti Scorch as well. So we didn't get anything from the Darkness Ablaze, but it is what it is, guys. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite art of the video. Mine is gonna be this roulette, for the simple fact that I haven't seen it before. And just look at the background, it looks a little bit eerie, having the little canyon right there, as well all the trees with the leaves coming down, and just being an owl himself. I think it's just really fitting for the card, and then it kind of fits the scenery, right? So overall, I really like this art. I think I like more the background than the actual roulette. So it's really cool. I never seen the background like that where it's that eerie. But yeah, guys, so I think that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.